Hi everyone, today I want to make a simple recipe of tomatoes, chili, and onions. It is a delicious and interesting recipe and simple recipe that you can make at home, and it is very interesting and delicious. So let's get started and make it in easy way. First, cut onions and tomatoes in small pieces along with the green chili. Now you need 2 cups oil or ghee for uh, onions. Now in it you will put some onion which we have cut it already. You should need some salt to taste in it. Now keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. It's like this. For extra taste, you should or you need some Karahi masala or chicken masala. Now tomato chili recipe is ready. It's very delicious and interesting. You can make it at home in a easy and simple way. It's important for a healthy life for your health. If you have sugar or blood pressure, you can make and you can eat it because it is simple and easy. It doesn't have more ingredients which are harmful to your health. So it's simple, easy, and delicious.